The distinction between panthers and jaguars can be a source of confusion due to the varied usage of the term panther to describe different species. In reality, a panther does not refer to a specific species but is commonly used to describe a black jaguar or a black leopard. If you find yourself unsure about distinguishing between the two, there are several key differences that can assist in telling them apart. To begin with, the most apparent distinction lies in their coat color, making it the simplest method to differentiate between jaguars and panthers. Additionally, one of these magnificent creatures tends to be more elusive and thrives in the shadows. However, there is much more to these fascinating animals than meets the eye. Join us on a journey to explore all of their unique differences. Panthers and jaguars are frequently confused due to the interchangeable use of the term panther to describe a jaguar. However, it's important to note that jaguars belong to the species Panthera onca, while a panther can refer to either a melanistic jaguar or a melanistic leopard, Panthera pardus. Melanistic animals have a higher concentration of melanin in their skin, resulting in a black coloration instead of their usual pattern. Melanin is the pigment found in skin and hair. In leopards, melanism is caused by a recessive gene, while in jaguars, it is caused by a dominant gene. As the primary distinction between melanistic jaguars and their regularly spotted counterparts is their coloration, this article will primarily focus on the key differences between melanistic leopards, panthers, and spotted jaguars. One distinction between a panther and a jaguar is the interchangeable nature of the term panther with other large feline species. For instance, in Florida, there are big cats referred to as panthers, specifically known as the Florida panther. However, the Florida panther is actually a cougar or mountain lion, distinct from the black or white panthers commonly envisioned when hearing the term. People also occasionally use the term panther to describe leopards or jaguars, which is technically correct since both leopards and jaguars belong to the Panthera genus. However, the Florida panther does not fall under the Panthera genus, it belongs to the puma genus. On the other hand, the term jaguar is not as interchangeable. When someone refers to a big cat as a jaguar, they are specifically indicating a feline with tan fur and spots. For instance, tigers would not be called jaguars, nor would lions. Panthers and jaguars differ in that the term panther can be used scientifically to describe any big cat within the Panthera genus, while the term jaguar has more specific criteria and cannot be applied to every big cat. One of the most prominent distinctions between a panther and a jaguar lies in the coloration of their fur. The coloring provides a reliable means of telling them apart. Jaguars exhibit a range of fur colors, including tan, gold, and sometimes even reddish tones. On the other hand, panthers, or what is commonly referred to as panthers, have fur that is either black or white. Despite being classified as jaguars scientifically, they are assigned a different name due to the significant contrast in their coloration. Closer inspection, it becomes apparent that they are essentially the same animal. Both species display similar patterns of spots on their fur, known as rosettes. Most jaguars feature a distinctive spot at the center of their chests, and this pattern is shared by both black panthers and white panthers. Although these spots may not always be easily discernible due to their darker hue blending with the surrounding fur, they are present in both black panthers and jaguars. Therefore, the primary difference between black panthers and jaguars lies in their respective coloring. To comprehend the physical differences between panthers and jaguars, it is necessary to delve into their genetic makeup. Genes play a crucial role in determining various characteristics in living organisms, such as height, skin color, hair color, susceptibility to specific diseases, and overall lifespan. The animal kingdom is no exception to genetic influence. The disparity between black panthers, or more accurately, black jaguars, and regular jaguars stems from their genetic composition. Black panthers possess a dominant gene that codes for black fur, resulting in their distinct coloration. When black panthers mate with each other, the offspring predominantly inherit the black fur trait. However, if they mate with a tan jaguar, the cubs can either be black or tan. Importantly, a tan jaguar alone cannot produce black cubs, as it may carry a recessive gene for the black fur phenotype, which only manifests in the cub if it mates with a black panther. Conversely, black panthers can also carry the gene for black fur recessively. In such cases, they can produce black cubs when they mate with another black panther possessing either a dominant or recessive gene for black fur. From a genetic standpoint, black panthers and jaguars are essentially the same, with their physical differences arising from the expression of specific genes. In terms of habitat, there is a notable distinction between black jaguars and tan jaguars. Black panthers primarily inhabit the Amazon basin, where they prefer dense forests and tend to stay in the shadows. It is believed that their black coloration evolved to enhance their hunting success during nighttime. On the other hand, tan jaguars can be found in forests, savannas, and grasslands, allowing them to blend into various habitats more effectively due to their golden fur. As a result, tan jaguars have a wider distribution compared to black panthers. Tan jaguars have been observed in swampy areas, engaging in battles with and preying on caimans. While they share the same geographic region, both black panthers and tan jaguars are territorial creatures. Outside of the mating season, it is uncommon to find jaguars and panthers coexisting in each other's territories. Furthermore, jaguar cubs spend around 2 years with their mothers before seeking out their own territories to establish and defend. And there you have it. The differences between jaguars and black panthers are more than just skin deep. From their stunning fur colors to their habitats and genetic makeup, these big cats continue to awe and inspire us. Remember, every encounter with wildlife reveals another captivating story of our diverse planet. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible wildlife adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.